So we have to talk about this because this is a new Power Ranger Goisuger. I'm not sure. Goisuger. It's a Super Sentai new Power Ranger that is based on wolf form. So most of the characters here are the Power Rangers, but it's more like you're watching Tekken, but it's Power Ranger because you will see a lot of combo or you're playing Street Fighter, Tekken, or some fighting game from the 90s eras because they do combos in here, so it's so fun to watch it. I saw it in a TikTok video, so might as well try it. I don't know if I will make a reaction video. Maybe 10k, 10 likes, and we'll do a reaction video on the first episode. Yeah, we'll try to watch it. I'll upload it here, even though it would get a copyright strike. It's still entertainment because I like the show on the trailer, and also there's people reacting to it with the combos being done. Maybe in the first episode it would not be great, but there's a lot of thing on with the enemy being a doorbell or some door. I mean bell. It's a bell. It's a giant bell. Their enemy is a giant bell. Yeah, if you want to watch it with me, reacting to it, we can do that after 10 views. We have 10 views here in this video. I will do a reaction. No matter how long it takes this video to have the 10 views. Also, we're talking about this. So remember, I promised that I will continue the series if there's even one views on the videos. Okay, so great and bad news. I will continue this. That's the bad news. The great news is we had one video on the long form and multiple videos on the short form because I don't know why people want to watch people unboxing stuff, which I title unboxing, and people do like it when you unbox things without context. There's no context on the video. I just put unboxing the title and people watch it for some reason. I don't know what's wrong with the people who watch it, but it's yeah. We're going to continue unboxing when I think I saw another one. I'm not sure what we will unbox, but there's another incoming here. We'll do a short form next day because I already ordered it, but I don't know. Maybe next week there will be a package again. So bye for now, and we'll watch the Super Sentai Soy Ghoster, which is a Power Ranger that is a combination of Tekken or Street Fighter because there's a lot of combo. I love it. If people would watch it, it's saved on my TikTok, so I will not stitch it here because I might get copyrighted. But we will do a reaction video. It will be heavily edited because I don't want to be copyright strike again. Okay, bye.